I'm not liking it. I'm like, would it be warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Because a lot of people that say they're cold-blooded, they like the warmth better.
That's right.
So I'm cold-blooded.
You're cold-blooded.
But aren't we all the same blooded? Is that just not a myth? Like a saying? It feels chilly, isn't it?
How did I admit alone? I follow. Take me to the bottom, drop me in low, wherever you go.
I want to do this one clip. I literally almost backed off the bag. I'm gonna get her changed on my truck bed and literally riding, hitting jumps and throwing whips. Be my luck.
It's a beautiful, beautiful life.
We got Center Road to Megs today. I haven't put out a video, one of these normal videos, probably since, I don't know, maybe December or January. So first thing I want to say is everyone needs to go check out Stack Apparel on Instagram. I got a bunch of new clothes coming out. They're sick. Definitely want to check those out. We're about to make an awesome video and have some fun out here. Let's do it.
It's a beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. With you,
Hey, I've never in 8 years of riding had my bike shut off in the air. Yeah, I thought I was on a death wish. Dad, did you see that, dude?
Yeah.
Literally, that was God's because when your bike shuts off, you're supposed to go head over heels. So you live and you learn. We made it out. So.
Think I made